Shalom, my name is Shira Genish, and I serve as Director for Belarus, Moldova, and Northern Ukraine within the JDC's former Soviet Union department. I am responsible for these regions' operations, which include caring for the physical welfare of the neediest Jews in the world, elderly, children, and people with special needs, providing opportunities for Jews to reclaim their Judaism and lost heritage in places where this was forbidden before, and cultivating Jewish community leadership in order to ensure Jewish future. Beyond my work at our headquarters in Jerusalem, for the last 5 years, I have served as JDC's representative in Kharkov, Ukraine. I had the opportunity to meet with people whose lives have been changed thanks to your support. I look forward to sharing their stories with you. Thank you.